Do you need to make your house safe? Or you want to control your sleeping son? Or you want to see what's going on in your garden? Blink offers you 3 camera models, and they're pretty similar to each other, and all 3 work with Amazon Alexa.
It feels terrible knowing that someone's been in your home and in your space. I was burglarized on Labor Day, and I got the Blink system 2 weeks later, and then 2 weeks after that, I was burglarized again. I get a motion sensor alert on my watch, so I check my phone, and there's people in my home. So I called the police department. Through the live view, I was able to give her an exact description. One of them was wearing a black shirt that had a character in the front. And because of Blink, they were able to catch him. If you think that you can't get burglarized, you can't think that way. It happens. Knowing that the Blink security system alone is what has given me peace of mind. I'm eternally grateful for what it gave me back.
Day or night, rain or shine, with a diverse range of affordable indoor and outdoor smart home security cameras, Blink has you covered inside and out. Easy installation. All 3 of Blink's cameras are a piece of cake to set up. The Blink Outdoor and the Blink Indoor don't have any wires or plugs to worry about, so you can put them just about anywhere. And the Blink Mini uses an optional swivel stand for easy positioning. Affordable prices. We've spent enough time talking about the Blink camera's battery lives and not enough talking about Blink's low price point. Security cameras are much more affordable than they used to be, but we'd still expect to pay more than Blink asks for.
Blink is one of the easiest cameras to set up. It literally will take you 5 minutes to set it up, if that. Several incidences have happened in our neighborhood where kids have been casing cars, checking doors, and luckily for us, these cameras can catch that. It's the best security camera for the price point and for everything you want it to do. I actually have a Blink camera in the front yard. I have a Blink camera on the east side of my home and a Blink camera in the backyard. The main reason I purchased the Blink cameras is my wife wanted to see my son coming and going because he is our youngest son, and she had a very hard time with him going on the bus by himself, walking to school by himself. So giving her the opportunity to have film of him, leaving and coming home from school gave her a little bit more peace of mind. And that's what I was going for. Happy wife, happy life.
Being a former member of law enforcement for so many years, security of my home is very important to me. The biggest violation that people have is to come in from work or come in from vacation and your property has been removed. It's a violation. Having an alarm is great, but having a camera system is, to me, more important, and not just a camera system, but one that I can operate from wherever I am in the world. This camera is at the very front door. My second camera covers the backyard area. There's one downstairs that covers the patio sliding door entry and then the interior of the house. It's just a perfect system. If someone's on my property, I love the fact that I get an alert on my phone or on my iPad that someone's there, so that gives me an opportunity to look. You can't buy peace of mind, but that's exactly what you're buying when you invest into the Blink camera system. You're investing in peace of mind, and that to me is just more important than anything else.
Choose what you need. The Blink Outdoor is easy to install, and you don't have to worry about wires. The Blink Indoor cam can fit on any shelf in your house. The Blink Mini uses a power cord but comes in a compact size. All 3 of Blink's cameras are pretty good. They're cheap and discreet, they don't use a lot of energy, and they're easy to install. Whichever model you choose, you'll get a decent camera for not a lot of money. Blink Outdoor. The Blink Outdoor camera runs for 2 years off 2 AA batteries, and you don't have to string a single wire. This outdoor camera is weatherproof and easy to position on a wall, ceiling, or flat surface. Blink Indoor. The Blink Indoor is basically the outdoor camera minus the weatherproofing. You'll have the same HD recording, night vision, and 2-way audio, but this model stays inside. Just like the Outdoor, it's easy to install and has a 2-year-long battery life. Blink Mini. The Blink Mini is the little sibling of the other 2 cameras. It has most of the same features, including 1080p resolution, night vision, and motion detection, but the Mini uses a power cord instead of batteries. Blink accessories and monitor app. Blink cameras can work with Alexa. If you want a discreet, low-maintenance security camera that won't cost an arm and a leg, then it doesn't get much better than Blink. Blink cameras bring new meaning to the phrase, set it and forget it. Get access to Blink products in the description.